driver forces priority and his passenger tries to explain to the biker that it's the biker's fault. The driver is in such a hurry that he decides to rush the biker. Later on, the rider attempts to confront the driver.
T'as eu ton permis ou quoi? Tu fais quoi? T'as vu comment tu déboîtes? T'as vu comment tu déboîtes? Casse-toi! T'as vu comment tu déboîtes? Mais ouais, tu fais quoi?
What's going on, you guys? Thank you for joining me for another video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Today we're going to take a look at a clip that was sent to me by a fellow rider who was on the Halloween ride as well. He actually captured the point of impact from the crash, the aftermath that I recorded. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at this footage. This is an older GoPro, so it was hard for me to punch in on this, but right here we're going to go ahead and zoom in. You're gonna watch the teal car on the left, right there. Boom, hits the rider, she goes down right in front of another one. We're gonna slow this down a little bit, take another look. Boom, impact, she slides right in front and in between two riders right there. That could have been a whole lot worse. A bunch of people pull over to help her out, that's good. I was probably just moments behind there. These guys right here look like they're going in pursuit of the vehicle. I'm not sure exactly what happened with the pursuit. I have no information on that. I'm not sure if they caught all the way up to this driver and the driver was brought to justice on the whole situation, but this is basically what led up to the events of the previous video. So here's the moment in my video where I realized that somebody had crashed, pulled over to check on the rider. She just told us that a car swerved into her. She was complaining of shoulder pain.
Anything else? You should probably sit down.
A bunch of us were already crowding the situation and asking her questions, so I just wanted to be kind of brief. Went over her gear. You can see the shoulder impact right there on her vest, how much material was shaved. I went over her helmet just to make sure she didn't hit her head. Everything looked fine. Eventually, she chose to ride away, and we all just kind of moved on.
biker appeared in the center of an event which would be hard to believe if it hadn't been recorded.
Oh boy. That was close. God damn.
You okay? Yeah, it must be. Yeah, we got
One of the drivers looked like trouble from the very beginning, so the biker managed to avoid a collision. Next we have some videos that remind bikers to always watch out for others on the road.
Trocou de faixa, velho! Alô?
Oh, Lexi's gonna me. I'm more worried about what I did to the scooter.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.